In this video I'll explain whether you can refund Discord Nitro and how the process actually works so you don't run into unnecessary confusion. If you recently purchased a Nitro subscription and feel it's not right for you, Discord does allow refunds under certain conditions that are important to understand up front. Refunds are generally possible only within a short window after purchase, and eligibility usually depends on whether Nitro features have been used during that time. This means perks like boosts, uploads, or cosmetic benefits can affect approval. To start, you need to be logged into the same Discord account used for the purchase and then reach out directly to Discord's official support through their help center, since refunds are not automated. Providing accurate transaction details such as payment information helps speed things up. After submitting a request, responses typically arrive by email, and processing can take several business days before funds return to the original payment method. It's also worth noting that add-on purchases or renewals may impact eligibility, and any unauthorized charges should be clearly reported so support can guide you properly. Overall, the system is straightforward if you follow the rules and act quickly. Subscribe now for more clear, honest tech guides that actually save you time and money.